growing up, I sold my soul a good price. Out of sight, my hoe got talent, right? Whole squad ran, do that shit, yikes.
What's up guys, and it's all here. OnePlus 6 has been in the news for the past couple of days. There's been secrets, teaser, Easter eggs, but this is all you need to see. OnePlus 6 in its full glory thanks to one of the known case makers named Olixar. I worked with them in the past couple of times and I know they are legit. They probably got the design information so that they can design some dope OnePlus 6 cases. So thanks to them, we have the OnePlus 6 in its full glory. First up, the big change is on the front. It's a 6.2-inch AMOLED panel, 1080p HD of course, with a notch that is smaller than the iPhone X's notch. Of course, it doesn't have a 3D facial scanner, so they pretty much implemented the notch because they want you to have more screen area to play with, and also because Apple did it. Like I said in my Vivo review that I personally have nothing against the notch, but that bottom chin is not cool at all. In order to get rid of it, you gotta have a curved display that wraps inward at the bottom, so to give it a chinless look, but that's really expensive and only Apple has been able to pull that off, so OnePlus 6 is your sweet chin music. The design is more refined now. On the back, the fingerprint, the LED flash, the vertical dual cameras can be seen very close to each other, and I can't help it, guys, it reminds me of a certain beast. I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. It does look a lot similar to the S9 Plus camera or back implementation, so maybe they got inspired by Samsung as well. But nonetheless, the fingerprint scanner is on the back at a pretty good position, and that confirms that there is no in-display fingerprint scanner on this flagship killer. There's one another change compared to the OnePlus 5T is that the alert switch is now above the power button on the right compared to its previous left position on the 5D. And it's also color coordinated kind of like the Pixel 2's power button, which is cool. Now there's a reason why it's on the right side. Apparently, according to this teaser, you can actually focus using the alert slider. It has something to do with the camera, and that's why it is now at the right side. Below the alert switch, we got the power key, and on the left we have the volume rocker, and the phone still retains the good old headphone jack. As for the specification, we already know that the phone will arrive with a Snapdragon 845 processor, 8GB of RAM, a 3450mAh cell, 20 plus 16MP f1.7 camera on the back, a 20MP f1.7 camera on the front. The software will be majorly changed, as one of the recent teasers says, the speed you need, which teases that OnePlus 6 will have a very similar gesture experience like the iPhone X, giving you a fast experience according to them, and I've already showed you this in my V9 review that gestures are indeed here, and it's actually fun to use once you learn it. You will still get the option to have a normal navigation bar system if you want to have that old user experience, and if you don't like gestures, so you can do that. There's also going to be a superhero themed Infinity War OnePlus 6 edition exclusive to UK. The announcement for the OnePlus 6 could happen in May, although it normally get announced in June, but I do feel that this time it's going to be early, sometime in the month of May. The pricing will get a light spark, which could reach a $600 mark for the base model. Again, we'll see more information on that soon, so make sure to subscribe and let me know your thoughts about the OnePlus 6. What do you think about the flagship killer? And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.